to the Dollar Tree and I seen the lip contour kit by Be Pure. And I was excited to try it. I normally wear a lip stain. However, this intrigued me. I was extremely interested in this kit. These two little products, the shade was beautiful. This is the Terracotta Rose, and it's a glossy liquid lipstick and liner. And you use the lip pencil to outline the outer edge of the lip to create your desired lip shape. And then if you want to exaggerate your lip line, you can. And then you use the liquid lipstick to fill in the outline. You can create a fuller lip if you so desire. It recommends you to exfoliate and hydrate your lips before applying to create a smooth surface for the lipstick. I was so impressed with these two products. Now, this is a lip pencil. It is not going to be soft like a gel. It is a pencil. However, it is not rough. It will glide on quite smoothly, and you are going to have to sharpen it, but it does a really good job at outlining your lips. It's a lip liner pencil. But I was mostly impressed with the glossy lipstick. This was smooth, it was silky, it was soft, it went on perfection. You could use this without the lip pencil if you so desired, and it doesn't claim to be long wearing. It doesn't claim to be smudge proof. It doesn't claim to be something that's not going to transfer. However, I have had this on for 2 hours and the color is still there, and it has not smudged, transferred. It's still looking very, very well, and I'm impressed with it. And my lips are still very soft. I can still feel that there's product on my lip. And I mean, you know what it kind of reminds me of are the LA Colors lip crayons, which I'm impressed with when it comes to a lipstick. If I don't wear a lip stain, I will reach for the lip crayons because I have a lot of color payoff and they will stay on for a good 2, 3, 4 hours without having to reapply. And this is kind of what this is giving me. And I am very impressed with this. And for $1.25 to get a 2-in-1 product, I feel like Be Pure has hit the mark on this, and it is a really good product. I have no complaints. I feel like it is really, really nice. I don't feel like, when it said glossy liquid lipstick, I thought that maybe it was going to be more of a lip gloss. It was going to be sticky, and it is not. And it's not a high shine product. It does have a little bit of a gloss to it, but it's not sticky. It is more of a lipstick. It does have a little bit of shine, but it's not like a gloss. This is just a really nice lipstick. If you're looking for a really good lippy, then head on over to the Dollar Tree and find yourself this lip kit, because they're very compact and small. They'll fit down into your purse, and I think this would be really great to have for summer and your summer activities, because I don't really feel like you're going to have to polish your face a whole lot with this either. So kudos to Be Pure for a really great item. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that bell so that you know when I've uploaded my next video. Give this video a thumbs up. Thank you ever so much for watching Craft Sauce and Chaos, and I'll catch y'all in the next one.